Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Everyone is aware that this time November attempt examinations will be conducted for two different times, Cycle 1 and Cycle 2. Cycle 1 exams will be conducted in the month of November and Cycle 2 exams will be conducted in the month of February. Everybody is aware of this fact. Came to know that some students are planning to write only one group in the month of November and they are planning to appear for another group in the second cycle of examinations to be conducted in the month of February. Now, for the benefit of such students, we have introduced revision exams and study hours for IPCC as well as CA Inter students. Under this service, we will be conducting two revision exams a week. One examination on Sunday, another examination on Wednesday. In this manner, there will be two examinations conducted a week. There will be separate schedules for the students of Group 1 of new syllabus, Group 2 of new syllabus, Group 1 of old syllabus, Group 2 of old syllabus. So there will be totally 4 different separate schedules, and in all these schedules we will be conducting study hours physically. So the physical study hours will start from November 30th onwards, and the first revision exam will be conducted on 13th of December, 13th of December, and the last revision exam will be conducted on 7th February 2021. In this case, students cannot choose to write revision exams in both the groups. They need to choose either of Group 1 or Group 2 under old or new syllabus. So, since the available time is very less, we cannot schedule to finish both groups in this short span of time. It is possible to select only one group. Some students may not be willing to attend the study hours physically. For the benefit of those students, we will conduct revision exams alone. So this service of conducting revision exams alone is called MMTS, Masterminds Test Series. Old name for Masterminds Test Series is Postal Mode. Under Masterminds Test Series, the same revision exams can be written by the student right from their home. So even from your home, you can appear for revision examinations alone. Even in that case, we will not be charging any fees for study hours. We will be charging fees for revision exams alone. And those who are planning to attend the study hours physically, even hostel facility is separately available for boys and girls in Guntur campus. And we will even conduct one set of pre-final examinations. Along with these revision exams, students who are willing can even attend coaching for some selective exams in crash batches. Crash batches will also commence by November ending itself. So in those crash batches, students can appear for or attend for coaching for selective subjects of their choice. So I hope that majority students will get benefited from this service and they will use this service in the best possible manner. All the best.